So today is Wednesday and we're still into this lockdown here in Belgium. So today I'm reviewing the Mixcder E9 wireless headphones. So I've been using these headphones for a very long time now, for about a year I think. And I can finally share my impressions like after a long time if I like these or not. So I mainly use these headphones for Netflix when I'm in my couch during the evening and I'm like someone else is watching television. I just put on these headphones and click and poof, 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 and everything is connected and done and I can watch Netflix. So as of connectivity goes to the Mac Pro, I'm very pleased with that. I just want to show you how it works. So they are already connected with my MacBook Pro. They are already synced before. So when I just power these up, you're going to hear connected in a minute. So my Mac is on right now. Just power these up.
Power on. Connected.
It's like 1 second and it's already connected. That's like amazingly fast if I compare it to other headphones, wireless headphones I've used in the past. You can also use these wired, of course, with auxiliary input over here, but I always use these wireless. What is so special about these? Well, they have ANC Active Noise Cancellation, which means if you flip the switch over here, the active noise cancellation is activated and it will cancel noise coming from the outside, like people talking, the television playing in the background, for example. You won't hear it anymore when you activate ANC. But does it really work well? Well, here's my explanation about that. When I activate ANC, I get a fuller sound and a bit more white noise on the background if you listen closely, but when you're watching a television show or anything else, you won't really notice it, but you get a bit more fuller sound and like you're underwater, for example. And they do a very good job in eliminating other sound coming from the outside. So very pleased with the ANC as well on the Mixcder headphones over here. But how do these feel? Well, they feel very comfortable. These are very soft cushions and I can wear these for about 2 to 3 hours. I've watched the complete episode of Don't F With Cats yesterday, 3 episodes. Each 1 hour or more, so about 3 hours in one loop on these babies. And the only thing I get after about 2 or 3 hours watching television or Netflix is my ears get warm. But when I take them off after about 2 or 3 minutes, it's over. So very nice. I've never had any headphones with this amount of comfort I've noticed in the past. So besides the comfortability, you can also clip them like this and carry them easily around. They can also be made longer as well, which is nice. The top padding also very nice, very comfortable. The battery life on these is a beast. Like these last for a week or something and I use them every night. It's crazy. I have to charge them once every 1.5 weeks and it's really crazy. I really enjoy these with the battery life. So really good. 10 out of 10 for that. What I like the most about these are Bluetooth headphones, and I've had a lot of issues in the past with Bluetooth headphones or earbuds having issues with syncing the sound I have on Netflix or YouTube. Like someone's talking like this, for example, and you see their mouth moving and it's very annoying and I can't watch any videos or any movies when you hear a voice or when you see someone talking and then you hear the voice. It's very upsetting. Like for example, V for Vendetta is also on Netflix. It's dubbed in French. This has nothing to do with the fact that the Bluetooth is not syncing, but I hate watching a movie in French. That's way out of the question of this video, but now you know. So, but yeah, the synchronization is perfect. Like they advertise on the website Bluetooth version 4.0 CSR. Not the latest, but really the most stable performance. And they are actually very right about this. As for build quality goes, that's maybe a bit of a negative one for me. It's plastic. All these pieces are plastic and you get scratches if you put your nails in them. I don't really mind about that. I don't really care if they are scratched. I've read some reviews of people that broke their Mixcder headphone. I haven't had any issues so far and I've used it almost last weeks on a daily basis. So I don't know if they break fast. I'm guessing it depends on what you do with them. Another thing I don't really like is the buttons. They are flimsy, they are plastic and they don't feel premium, but they do the trick. So there are different buttons, a volume up, volume down, a power button and the ANC button as well. Now, how do these sound? Let's just listen to something, shall we? So again, I power these on like this. And they are connected immediately. So let's just check out a video on my channel. This is the loudest volume, and as you can hear, if I click the volume button, it can't get any louder. You start scrolling a web page, it can take a long time until you're at the bottom, for example. As you can hear, that's pretty crisp, pretty nice. I enjoy that sound. Let's just put on the ANC so you can hear the difference a little bit. It's very difficult to show you what the quality is or to let you hear the quality of these headphones. So I'm trying my best. This is a Blue Yeti X, very good microphone, but hey, it's not as one-on-one as you would hear in real life. So this is without ANC, and this is and you'll feel a very small vibration, and then you can just scroll very fast over your screen. Very easy and very nice to navigate your screen while browsing in Safari. That's feature number 1. Now feature number 2. I don't know if you can hear it that well, but with the ANC activated, you have a bit more of a thicker, a fuller sound, and of course the noise is cancelled around you. So yeah, what is my opinion about these headphones? Well, I can say I'm a real good ambassador of these ones. I've been using them for a pretty long time. They are not that expensive. They retail now on the official website of Mixer for $69, and they were previously $120. So they cut the price in two, and now you can buy these for only $60. It's a real bargain. These are very good. You really are going to enjoy these. It's not a very famous brand, Mixer. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Mixcder, I don't know. They are really good, and I was like, which video am I going to make? And I don't often make these kinds of reviews. I only do these when I'm like really excited about the product, or when I'm like really angry on a product. But right now I'm really excited about this product. These are really the best headphones I've ever used for Netflix. So if you're looking for a good pair of headphones for Netflix, these are the ones. I'm not paid to say this whatsoever. I've just been using these for a long time, and I guess I wanted to say this to you. Like, if you're looking for good headphones, these are very good headphones. Not that famous, but still very good. Right, if you have any questions regarding these headphones, let them know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very glad to help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and sub below, and I'll see you in my next video.